Okay, students, in this video, I am going to explain the introductory part of exercise 2.9, that is partial fractions. This particular topic is very important, students, not only for 11th standard. So, this is second chapter, okay, basic algebra. Basic algebra. So these partial fractions are not only useful for 11th standard, even you are going to use for higher studies. Even 12th standard, you are going to use in integration. How to integrate the problem by using partial fractions. One method is there. So there also it will be useful. And this particular 11th standard also, this exercise very important exercise. So listen, students. You see what is a partial fraction, how will you convert the given fraction into partial fractions, and how many types of partial fractions are there, what is proper fraction, what is improper fraction, all these things you should know. Okay, then we'll see the methods of partial fractions. Because three methods are there, we'll see one by one method. See, for example, there are two fractions are there, 1 by x minus 1 plus 2 by x minus 2. How will you simplify that? Since they are fractions, you must take the LCM. So x minus 1 into x minus 2 is the LCM. Here 1 into x minus 2, because x minus 1 is already there. So it goes x minus 2 times. So numerator should be multiplied. Plus here x minus 2 is already there. So it goes x minus 1 times. Okay. Then you multiply, open the bracket, 1 into x minus 2 plus 2x, 2 into minus 1 minus 2 by x square minus 3x plus 2. Directly I wrote, students, x into x square, x into minus 2 minus 2x, minus 1 into x, minus to minus plus. So if you simplify, x plus 2x is 3x, minus 2 minus 4, divided by x square minus 3x plus 2. Okay, that means you simplified these two fractions like this. Now, what is the partial fractions means? The reverse process. They will give this expression like f of x by g of x, like this they will give. Then you have to split up into like these fractions. Since each fraction is a part of this full expression, then that's why it is known as a partial fractions. It's a part of this expression. Okay, so this is one partial fraction, this is another partial fraction. Okay, so reverse process. If they give like this, how will you find this one? Okay, that is the procedure, that is the method of finding the partial fractions. But most important thing is there, students, partial fractions can be converted only if the given fraction is proper fraction. Now, in the lower classes you studied what is a proper fraction, what is a improper fraction. Proper fraction is what? For example, 1 by 2 is a proper fraction, 3 by 4 is a proper fraction, 2 by 6 proper fraction. But 3 by 1, 3 by 2, 5 by 4, they are not proper fractions. See, these three are the proper fractions. If the value of the numerator is less than the denominator, then it is called as a proper fraction. Similarly, here proper fractions means the degree of this f of x, that is the numerator, is less than the degree of g of x, that is d means denominator, g of x. So here also same, you see here, what is the degree of numerator? X power 1, here x square 2. So then it can be partially, you can find the partial fractions if it is in this form only. Only for proper fractions you can find the partial fractions. But what about the improper fractions, sir? How will you convert into proper fraction? That you can know. You can divide this one, right? 3 by 2. For example, first of all, let me tell you what is improper fraction. If the degree of numerator is greater than the degree of denominator, okay, then it is called as improper fraction. So improper fraction, directly you cannot do these partial fractions, but you can convert improper fraction to proper fraction, then you can do this procedure. Okay, first you should check the degree of numerator is less than the degree of denominator or not. Then you check the method of partial fraction, which method you are going to use. So here 3 by 2, 5 by 4. For example, 3 by 2 is there. How will you divide 3 by 2? 2 ones, 2 remainder 1. So what I will write there? So 1, right? Then 1 plus 1 by 2 I can write like this, right? This is a remainder plus what is this one? Quotient by divisor. So this is a 1 by 2 I can write. 3 by 2 I can write improper fraction, mixed fraction as 1 by 2, improper fraction as 3 by 2, partial fraction as 1 plus 1 by 2. All are same only now. So now you see here 1 is separate, only constant, that you should keep separate. So again it becomes proper fraction. 1 by 2, 1 is less than 2, so it is proper fraction. Okay students, so the degree of numerator is less than the degree of denominator, then only it is possible to split up into partial fraction, otherwise it is not possible. Suppose it is improper fraction, then this is the procedure. You can divide, then you can split up into partial fraction, that is proper fraction, then you can do the partial fraction. Okay students, but there are 3 methods are there to do the partial fractions. Okay, one by one method we will discuss now. Now I told the reverse process like this one, and every time you are keeping some constant numerator, denominator. This is a by something, b by something. So those ideas you should get first. Okay students, now in the next video I will explain the methods of partial fractions. 3 methods are there, then we will switch over into the exercise. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel and share to your friends. Okay students, bye.